Hi guys, I'm Amir from Smart Money University, and today I'm gonna be teaching you the SMT. That's the Smart Money Tool or Smart Money Technique. The T letter stands for tool or technique, so don't be confused. Where can I look for Smart Money Tool? In indices, we can look in Dow Jones. We can look with the S&P 500, and in Nasdaq we can look with the S&P 500 also. In the S&P, we can look with Nasdaq or the Dow Jones. That's the all of them are correlated pairs, so they move in tandem. In Forex, we can look with the SMT. In Euro, we can look with dollar index, and in Euro, we can look with the GBP USD pair. So the Euro and the GBP USD are correlated pairs, and the Euro and the dollar index are inversely correlated pairs. I will explain what this means. So let's imagine that the red line is the Euro USD and the black line is the dollar index chart. So if your Euro USD makes a lower low and the dollar index failed to make the higher high, so they are inversely correlated. If Euro USD will make a higher high, the dollar index should make the lower low. If dollar dollar index makes a lower low, Euro should make the higher high, and etc. So here Euro dollar made a lower low. It took the liquidity resting right here, and the dollar index failed to make the higher high. So what does it mean? This means that the dollar index is very bearish and it failed to break this low, and the euro dollar break that low, took the liquidity, and it will continue going higher, and the dollar index will continue going lower. They are inversely correlated pairs, and here we see that the dollar index is too bearish, so it cannot make the higher high, and it will continue going lower. And because they are inversely correlated, we know that the euro dollar will continue going higher. That's confusing, but I hope you will get it. So this is the SMT. The SMT. SMT and SMT. Also, if euro dollar failed to make the lower low, and the dollar index made the higher high. This is the SMT also. This is SMT. So what does it mean? This means that the Euro USD is too bullish and it failed to break this low, but the dollar index isn't that bullish. It took this liquidity right here, and now because they are correlated pairs, we know that the Euro USD is too bullish and it will continue going higher, and the dollar index is correlated pair, so it took the liquidity and it will sell off right here. But also we can search, as I said, we can search the SMT with in Euro USD, we can search with the GBP USD. So, oops. What does it mean? I should delete this and this also, and move this right here because that would be more beautiful. So, if Euro USD made the lower low and GBP USD, as we know it, they are they are the correlated pairs. Sorry. So if GBP USD failed to make the lower low, so they are correlated pairs, they move in tandem. So if Euro USD made the higher high, the GBP USD should make the higher high also. But if Euro USD made the lower low, GBP USD should make the lower low also. But if it failed to make the lower low, and this means that the GBP USD is very bullish and it failed to break this low, but the Euro USD break this low, took the liquidity, and we will continue going higher. In these conditions, the GBP USD broke this low right here. This is and took the liquidity. But the Euro USD failed to break this low and it didn't took the liquidity because this was too bullish. It failed to break this low and will continue going higher. The same will be in the GBP USD. We will continue going higher also because they are correlated pairs. Let me show you the live example right now. Here, wait a second. Where are we? Let's go to the 1 minute chart. So, to compare the charts, click this plus button right here, then search for GBP USD or dollar index and click on this new panel right here. It will make the new panel at the bottom of the chart. Click on settings. You can use the line, but I prefer to use candles, so we'll go with candles right now. As you can see, here is the swing low because it has the higher low to the left and higher low to the right, and here is the swing low also. But here is the swing low and here is the swing low also, right somewhere like here. This is the swing low, but as you can see, like this swing low is lower than this, but here this swing low is higher than previous swing low. So that's the SMT, smart money tool. And what does it mean? This means that the GBP USD is too bullish. It failed to break this low, but the Euro USD break this low and this low also, took all the liquidity, rebalanced this imbalance right here, or came into the order block, and now it will continue going higher. So it's the confirmation. Here we can use this. We know that the GBP USD is euro is bullish as well as the GBP USD. Here is the market structure shift with the displacement. Market left the fair value gap, so we could enter from here and target the let me close this, and we could target, we can use this low or we can use this low, but I will use the end of the fair value gap, and we could target the -2 level right here with the OTE, or we can round it to 200, or we can use the 50-minute order block that was somewhere right here. So that's like the 8 reward ratio trade. I hope you learned how powerful is this tool. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you again.